Good morning everyone, it's Sunday and we're off to Warwick Castle. A bit chilly in the air, but I think it's going to get a bit sunnier this afternoon. And you may notice there's a line down the screen. I think I've cracked the lens in the camera. I noticed it in my last video from Mortal Toes, so apologies for that. Let's go and have some fun in the castle. We're walking up to the castle and we didn't notice this before. It's a bug shack. Hotel for bugs. Can't see any though. Probably termites and things like that. Is that cool, Elliot?
Yeah.
We're coming along the walkway. You can go through an archway there, but it's just quite narrow. So we're going to carry down this way to the entrance area. There's lots of runners coming on the way back, as there was a 10k at the castle today. Called the 2 Castle Run. Never done that one myself. So let's get to the entrance. Here we are at the entrance to the castle, and that part there is where the walkway, that little walkway comes out. As I say, it's like a congestion thing, I think, for when it gets busier and you get lots of coaches and stuff up there. But here's the entrance itself. And this is a new show that they're doing. I did point this out last time. The Dragon Slayer. So might try and do that in August sometime. I'm just waiting for Elliot. He's got his camera today. So we're in the castle and we're trying to make our way over to the Trebuchet show, which starts in 10 minutes, but it's at the furthest end of the castle. So we're having a bit of a sprint on. We'll go down here, turn left. Hopefully we'll make it. We made it, and we're perched on the bank. There's the trebuchet over there. It's going to fling stuff over there.
So we will be demonstrating this engine by launching an 18-kilogram rock using slingshots. Our trebuchet master will now begin the shooting sequence. First, he removes the chain. Then with a steady hand, he pulls the pin from under the trigger. Pin is removed, the trebuchet is now live and ready to launch. Our trebuchet master prepares himself, takes hold of the trigger rope, stands back, as he is eager to demonstrate the power of this engine, and you are about to witness that power. So you should provide the command to pull the trigger. I suggest a countdown from 10, and when you reach the end, you shout the command to pull the trigger, which is loose. So, people of Warwick, are you all ready to count? Yeah! Come on, you lot, this is war. Are you ready? Yeah! Then let's do it! 10!
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Loose! We launch! There she goes, throwing the rock over 150 miles an hour, clearing 200 meters. Incredible. Lords and ladies, the Warwick Castle Trebuchet!
That was a bit underwhelming. I wasn't expecting them to throw a horse or anything, but I didn't even see what they threw. I think it was a big rock that ended up over there somewhere. That was a lot of work for those people to throw a rock. But, there we go. So we've come from the hill and I've got some shed things at the top, and they house the eagles. So let's go and take a look. So the first one is a Egyptian vulture. There he is. His name's Frank. Don't know what he's eating. I was trying to get his rope off. That could be interesting. Next is a white-tailed sea eagle. Another male. His name's Sky. Next up is Albert, the African fish eagle. Sitting proudly on his perch, being attacked by a fly. You've got some of the pens which are empty because they're actually in the show right now. Especially Archie. So that's the bird that Elliot bought last time we were here, the stuffed animal. And then you've got Henry, the bald eagle, who isn't bald, as we found out last time. Beautiful looking birds. And the last one is Ernie the eagle owl. Stunning looking bird. He looks a bit angry though. Just zoom further in because I don't know whether that's his eyes or... I think they're his eyelids. Must be asleep. They're just taking one of them at the sheds. I think that's Archie. It's a stunning looking bird, that. A little information point of all the wildlife you can find in Warwick Castle. There's a list, species list. Oh, you can find adders and some grass snakes. So post disappointment of the trebuchet, as I was walking around the eagle section, there was two American blokes, and one of them said we waited all that time to watch them throw a £30 rock, which I thought was quite funny. We're going to stand here because Archie the eagle actually flies down here, so we're going to have a look at him. It's the bird show. He's actually going on over there, and he has just flew over our heads, so we're going to try and catch him. Here he is.
Look in the sky.
Pretty cool. The peacocks come to join the bird show, and everyone's flocking around it to scare it. He's the huge vulture. It's called a lammergeier.
But they are capable of killing them by driving them off the sides of mountains. And if you live on the top of a mountain with 20 sheep or 20 goats as best friends, if an eagle is coming along every day, so after those eagles have killed a sheep or a goat, they strip it of and skull and spinal column and big leg bones. What they actually do with those, they pick them up, fly around with them until they find a sheet of rock and then throw them down.
We've just stopped on the grass for a spot of lunch, and we've got a couple of eagles that flew in. Lovely. So Owen's eating his sandwich. Me and Lucy have got sub rolls, got some Asda pizza bites, some chicken, crisps, a pop. Is that your sandwich, Elliot?
Yeah.
We've gained a friend to our picnic. I gave him some bread and now he won't leave. Mr. Duck. We've parked up the pushchair, hopefully it doesn't get nicked. And we're all going to go up the towers, Tower 1. You might want me to go first because I'll end up having to pick him up. So again, we're on the first stage. It's very excited. So for Sunday in the sun, Crows are very quieter than it was last time we came. Beautiful views on the top of the, I don't know what you call it, ramparts. People just setting up for lunch. Views from the top. There's the Birds of Prey show over there. You can just see the Jostun in the distance. There's a show going on right now. It's the one that we watched last time. Bird's eye view. We're going to go up that bit as well next. So you can go up those parts. And let's see what else we can do. First, we need to make our way across the castle walls and down there. So I'll probably see you at the other side. This wasn't open last time we came. Room about Joan of Arc.
conjurer
Basket, Mummy.
entangling in practices and magic arts, evil thinking in the
Have a look
capital
through here.
It's massive.
Mind your head. Ah, it goes all the way around, so it goes all the way around back there, through that door, and you can get back up there. What's happening down here? That's the entrance. Now we're heading over to the Caesars Tower again. They must have refurbished that bit last time. As you can see down here, the dungeons. Didn't notice this before, but the grates on the floor, if you stand on them, you have to see all the way down.
Not a fan of those.
Pretty cool. So this is where you come out, and Elliot's walked down the stairs this time. Pretty good. So we've just walked across there, and this was the back entrance, or the queuing area for the dungeon parts. Pretty cool. I'm not sure you can film in there, so I don't know whether we're going to go in there today, whether we'll have a look. So I've just had a relax on the grass while Lucy and Elliot went into the jail, and she went around the state rooms as well. And now Elliot, where are we going? Let's go then. You show me where to go. So we're going down the dark jail. There's the dump hole.
Yeah.
Where you get put if you're really naughty. Do you want to go in the dump hole?
No.
Let's go out then. Let's go.
Stay in this stairs. You have to stay in this bit.
Let's go up the stairs.
No, you have to drop it.
What I love about historical places is people leave their rubbish pretty much everywhere they want. You know, there's a bin outside.
Down the way out. On the zipper passage.
We're heading back up.
Yeah. I'm going.
So there wasn't much in the jail, apart from the room and then the pit. Elliot's having a run about. And then we're going to go find Lucy again.